welcome to another micro adventure video. In this episode I'm going to go a paddle from Irvine Beach up the River Garnock, looking at the Ardeer Peninsula and Bogside Flats. In this setup today, we're still using my Blackfin paddleboard, but I have the kayak kit on it, so we're using a double bladed paddle and a seat. The bridge we see here is known as the Bridge of Scottish Invention. It was originally part of the Big Idea, which was opened from 2000 to 2003 as part of the Millennial celebrations, and it has sat closed ever since as part of the Ardeer Peninsula's biodiversity reservation. Okay, you can see a lot of different texture on the water here, and this is because at this point, this is where the River Irvine and the River Garnock meet and touch the salt water. This whole area was traditionally steeped in industry. It had coal pits, ironworks, and more famously an explosives factory that was built by Alfred Nobel and was used to supply quarries and mines with explosives all over the country and further into Europe as well. The Ardeer Peninsula, which is over on the left here, was originally an island. Around 1700 they then converted it into a canal which went from here up to Stevenston, known as the Stevenston Canal. And since then, the canal's been filled in and the peninsulas became part of the mainland. This here is the River Garnock, and as you can see, it's a very wide-mouthed river at this section, and that starts further up near Kilburnie at the spout of the Garnock.